press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone. In the last period we have discussed the rise of nationalism in Europe. The part 1 we have discussed the introductory part in the last period. There are 4 important aspects that can be seen in the painted by Frederick Suro. The first one is the procession. People in a long march train towards the Statue of Liberty. The second, just you have to recall. The first one is the procession, and next one is the Statue of Liberty. Third one is on the fourth ground, shattered, broken pieces are there, and fourth one is heaven in the sky. These are the 4 things we have discussed. On next, different countries, their flags, they were going to homage the Statue of Liberty. These are all the things have been discussed in the last chapter, last period. In this session, we are going to discuss the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. The French Revolution. What is revolution? A revolution which means suddenly changes. Revolution which means suddenly changes, that it has been discussed in the last 9th standard. And idea of the nation. Do you know that idea of nation? Because in the last session we have discussed idea of the nation. Nation state came into existence in the place of modern state. In this session we are going to learn about the French Revolution and the nation of state. The first expresses, the clear expression of nationalism came with the French Revolution 1789. How do you say that? After the 1789 after the French Revolution, directory government came into existence. Which government came into existence? Directory government. The directory government, which was led by Girondist and Jacobist. They established, in the year 1791, they established human rights, equality, fraternity and freedom rights. 1799, they established human rights. This French Revolution, which was taken place from 1789 to 1799, and there was a single legislature. Which legislature? There was a single legislature, and these are all the effects of French Revolution. Abolition of special privileges. There was a estate system, you would recall. Administration reforms, judicial reforms, economic reforms, religious reforms. These are all the ideas that were come to with the French Revolution 1789. The clear expression of nationalism. What is nationalism? Nationalism, which means a feeling of oneness. This feeling of oneness which came with French Revolution. Now all the human rights, equality, freedom, fraternity, freedom that can be seen in our constitution. These are all the ideas which were borrowed from French Revolution. After the French Revolution, these were ideas established. And next, France, as you would remember, was a full-fledged territorial state in 1789. Full territorial state in 1789 under the rule of an absolute monarchy. France, you would recall in a 9th standard you learned, was full-fledged territorial state in 1789. Who full-fledged, which means a country which was ruled by one ruler, which was not under the control of any other country. India is full-fledged territorial state. It is not under the control of any other country. A full-fledged territorial state, which means in 1789, the France, which was ruled by Louis XVI of Bourbon family. Before that, Louis XV was ruled. Louis XVI, Louis XV, Louis XIV ruled over the France. Was a full-fledged territorial state. It was like sovereign country. It got independent. It was not ruled by other foreigners. Under the rule of an absolute monarchy. What is monarchy? A monarchy is a system of administration. A king has absolute power. He was not restricted by any rules and written laws. A country which is independent and is a sovereign state, which had clear boundaries. What is full-fledged territorial state? Which means a country which is independent and is a sovereign state, which had clearly boundaries, was independent and was not under the rule of any country. And was not under the rule of any country. The French Revolution, what was the major changes that occurred in the political and constitutional scenario due to the French Revolution in Europe? This question, this is 5 marks question, keep it on your mind. What was the major change that occurred in political and constitutional scenario due to the French Revolution in Europe? French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from the monarchy. The monarchy. There was a king, his name Louis XVI, Louis XV, Louis XIV. They bankrupted the treasury. There was a estate system. They did not take care about the people. The people, they got protested against the king, the monarchy system, and they established republic and democratic system in France. The French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from the monarchy in the body of citizens. This is the 1 marks question. ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. What was the major change? The French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from the monarchy. Sovereignty, which means the India, means France had become independent country from the monarchy. France had become republic and democratic country from the monarchy to the body of citizens. The revolution proclaimed that it was the people who would henceforth. The revolutionaries, Dante, Robespierre, many other the revolution proclaimed that. ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತು? It was the people who would henceforth constitute the nation and shape its destiny. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ henceforth ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ನೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದೇ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಗೇವ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ದ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. It is not monarchy system. After French Revolution, henceforth constitute the nation. They have to, the people, the citizens of France constitute, which means they have to form the nation and shape its destiny. Destiny, which means future ge avare ready ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅವರ ದೇಶವನ್ನು in under the control of democratic and republic system. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಂಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the reforms were made by the French revolutionaries. The French revolutions introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity among the French Revolution. The revolutionaries, Dante, Robespierre, there are a number of revolutionaries. Do you know that French Revolution, there are reasons, political reasons, economic reasons, social reasons. There are a number of reasons. The political reason, economic reasons. The French, all the rulers, they had drained the French treasury. This is one of the reasons. Social system, there was a estate system was there. The common people, the first one is clergy, second one is king, third one is made up of farmers, peasants, teachers, and next businessman. The common, the last of the people, they were exploited by the higher class of people, fresh. They did not, the king did not care about the lowest class of people. This is one of the reason. And the France helped the 14 colonies of America gained independence. This reason had bankrupted the treasury of France. This is one of the reason. And next, there are a number of thinkers such as Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu. They have written to provoke the people to get a French Revolution. This is one of the reason. Next, these are all the reasons to become French Revolution. French Revolution, which took place from 1789 to 1799. After the French Revolution, there were a number of incidents which took place. The oath of tennis court, and next the bread march, and next the Bastille of the fall of Bastille. Women who participated in the revolution, all the revolution, after the revolution, these things, the revolutionaries, Dante, Robespierre, these are all the revolutionaries, introduced various measures and practice ఇది అనమాట that could create a sense of collective identity among the French people. They wanted to develop a nationalism on the mind of French people. That's why there are a number of measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity among the French people. What are the measures? The first one is the idea of la patrie, the fatherland, and the idea of les citoyens, the citizen, emphasized. This is 5 marks question, very important question. The French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. What are the measures? The first one is the idea of la patrie, which means the fatherland. In India, which is our motherland? India is our motherland. We love our country, we love our language, we love our culture. Like this, they have to develop, the revolutionaries have to develop to the people the idea of la patrie, the fatherland. The French is our fatherland. We have to respect of our country. Next one is les citoyens, which means citizens emphasized. The first one is the idea of la patrie and the les citoyens emphasized. Les citoyens, which means the citizen. After the end of monarchy in the year of 1789, the citizen government came into existence, which means directory government came into existence. This is the people government. This is not dictator government. The revolutionaries emphasized les citoyens, which means the citizen government. All the rights, equality, fraternity, freedom, human rights were there. Like this government, the citizens emphasized. The first one is the idea of la patrie and les citoyens emphasized. The second one is a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. What happened before revolution? Before revolution, there was nothing, that the people did not enjoy their equal rights under a constitution. There was a estate system. There was a partiality among the people. There was a discrimination among the people. After the revolutionaries, what the revolutionaries made? They made the united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. The constitution 1791, the new constitution came into existence under controlled by directory government 1799. They implemented a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. All are equal before law. Like India also is having the constitution according to article number 14. All are equal before constitution. According to article number 19, right to speak wherever we go. And next, this is one of the measures which was implemented by revolutionaries. Next one is a French flag, the tricolor was chosen to replace the former royal standard. Here, the first one is blue, next one is white, next one is red. This is the new French tricolor was chosen to replace the former royal standard. What is former royal standard? Which means there was a king before the revolution, king who established their former royal standard on this flag. He dominated over the people. That he was done dictatorial ruler. But new flag, the tricolor was chosen. It clearly expresses, it clearly shows all are equal before law. One is blue, white and red. This is one of the measures which was developed by revolution is. Next, the State General was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed as the National Assembly. This is a state system. What is a state system? There are three people who are there. The higher class people is made up of clergy or priest. Second one is made up of kings. Third one was made up of businessmen, peasants and farmers. These are all. And this is the estate system was elected. There was, before estate system was practiced, the common people could not participate in the election, could not participate in the vote. There was no equality, there was no fraternity, there was no freedom to participate in the estate general system. But revolutionaries, what they made, the body of active citizens and renamed as the National Assembly. Okay, the estate general was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed as the National Assembly. Next, new hymns were composed. New hymns, which means mantragalu, vasa mantragalanna. When we before that, Rajananna ಹೊಗಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಇದ್ವು. Before, new hymns were composed. After the revolution, new hymns were composed. Oaths were taken. Oaths means whenever we go a respectable position, we have to take a oath. We have to take a oath. Our prime minister, our chief minister, they take oath when they are going to get a good CM post or PM post. Oaths were taken in the name of God. Here also new oaths were taken, new hymns were composed, and next martyrs were commemorated, all in the name of nation, not in the rulers, all in the name of nation. One is new oaths were taken, new hymns were composed, new oaths were taken, martyrs were commemorated. Martyrs, which means those who have sacrificed their life to the sake of nations. Those, they are called as martyrs, were commemorated. We are also commemorated such as Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bismillah Khan, and next Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. These are all the martyrs we have to remember, and also soldiers we have to remember. Like this, French also, in order to development of nationalism among the people, the revolutionaries, martyrs were commemorated, all in the name of nation, not in the rulers. The first one is hymns were composed, oaths were taken, martyrs were commemorated, all in the name of nation. And next one is a centralized administration was put in place and it formulated uniform laws for all the citizens with its territory. A centralized administration system. There was a king. All of the ministers assist to the king. This is the centralized administrative system within the constitution boundary. But there was a centralized administrative system was there before revolution, but it was not going through constitution. But after the revolution, it was going through constitution put in place, and it formulated uniform laws for all citizens. And also our prime minister also is going to implement uniform laws all the citizens of India, because it develops the nationalism. Concept. Uniform laws are all citizens with its territory. Deshada olagade centralized administrative system. Next one is internal custom duties and dues were composed. Internal customs, which means in India we have to pay GST tax. This is one of the whole India. All states of India, they have to pay only for GST. This feel oneness among the country. Like this, France also import and export tax. Before revolution, they had to pay different state different tax they have to pay. But after the revolution, internal customs, duties and dues were abolished. These are all that abolished. Why? Because they have to development sense of nationalism among the people. And next one is a uniform system of weight and measures were developed. A uniform system and of weight and measures were developed. Uniform system weight. Now weight and measures are very important to develop economic development of country. Scale means like this, measures were developed. And next, regional dialects were discouraged. Regional dialects were discouraged, which means regional dialects means means sub languages were discouraged. Why? Because to the development of sense of feeling of oneness, nationalism, French as it was spoken and written in Paris ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಅದರ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್. ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿಸಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ French became the common language of the nation. French became the common language of nation. This was implemented. And next, French became the common language of the nation. These are all the these are all the measures which was developed by revolutionaries in order to develop the sense of nationalism among the people. What are the development? The first one is, once we have to recall, the idea of law of order, which means our country is our fatherland. Les citoyen, which means the citizens are very important before the king. And next one is the united community enjoy equal rights under a constitution. All are equal before law. Nobody is poorer, nobody is richer. Everybody should equal in front of law. In front of law. Why did they develop like this? Because before revolution, there was a estate system. The local people, they did not get any rights. And next one is a new French flag. The tricolor was chosen to replace the former royal standard. New French flag, tricolor. Why? In order to development of nationalism in the mind of people. Next, Estates General System. Estate General System was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed as the National Assembly. New hymns were composed. New hymns means Vasavasa Mantradu. New oaths were taken. Motors were commemorated, all in the name of nation only. And centralized administrative system was put in place and it formulated uniform laws for all citizens within its territory. Internal customs, duties and dues were abolished. A uniform system of weight and measures were developed. Before that, there was no uniform system of weight. There are different type of weights. It affected on the development of country. Measures also, it was not clearly measures practiced before French Revolution. It affected the economic development of country. A uniform system of weight and measures were adopted. Next, regional dialects were discouraged. Regional dialects, which means France, in the states of France, they had spoken different languages, but these languages could not be developed nationalism. Nationalism, which means feeling of oneness. That's why they made French as it was spoken and written in Paris only. And they spread, French became the common language of nation. What we have discussed in this class, one is the French clearly expresses of nationalism in Europe. It come from French Revolution. What are the measures? And next, introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity among the people. And next, yesterday we have discussed the differences between nation state and modern state. Today we have discussed the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity among the people. And next we are going to discuss Next period we shall discuss the Napoleon. Do you know that Napoleon was the infant of French Revolution, ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಶಿಶು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾನೆ. He also was done very good administration in the France. He was going to take France very good level, and we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you.